Good day, everyone. I am Emilu M. Umbahen, a BS Ed Math 2. So today, we learned basic integration and how to use substitution to solve more complex integral.
Mathematical process of finding a function whose derivative is equal to a given function. In a simpler terms, if differentiation tells you how a function changes, integration work background to find the original basic integration or a function from its rate of change. So the symbol of integration, a basic integral, is written as integral f of x dx is equal to fx plus c. So the integral, this is the integral sign. F of x is the integrand. D of x indicates that x is the variable we are integrating with respect to. C is the constant of integration. So the most fundamental rule for integration is the power rule. Integral x raised to the power of n dx equals x raised to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, where n is not equal to -1.
Now, let's proceed for the example of basic integration. Number 1, integral 4x cubed plus 2 dx. So, integral 4x cubed dx plus integral 2 dx. 4 integral x cubed dx plus 2 integral dx. So 4, so x cubed plus 1, 3 plus 1. So, kay atong formula kay x n plus 1, then n plus 1 plus 2x plus c. C is the constant over 4x raised to the power of 4 over 4. So cancel out the 4 plus 2x plus c. So the final answer, x raised to the power of 4 plus 2x plus c. So now let's proceed for the example number 2. Integral 3x plus 4 raised to the power of 2 dx. So, ang kaning atong given ato kaduhaon. Then, to solve this one, 9x, the result is 9x cubed, 9x squared plus 12x plus 12x plus 16 dx. So, I will show you how to get that one. So 3x plus 4, then 3x plus 4. So 9x squared plus 12x plus 12x plus 16 over 9x squared plus 12x plus 12x plus 16. So that's why we get this one. So to get this one, you need to 9x squared plus 12x plus 12x equals to 24x plus 16 dx. So now, ato ipagawas ang 9, then integral x squared dx plus 24 integral x dx plus 16 dx. So this one, 9 divided 3 equals 3x cubed plus 24 divided 2 is 12x squared plus 16 plus c. C is the constant. And that's all. Thank you. Substitution. A U substitution is a method used to simplify an integral by changing the variable. It is essentially the reverse of the chain rule from the differentiation. So this technique is used when an integral contains a composite function, a function inside another function, and the derivative of that inner function is also present in the integral. General form of U substitution. Integral f g of x times g prime x dx equals integral f times u du. Proceed for the example for U substitution. First is the integral for 3x dx. But before that, we find u. So let u is the u is 3x. Tong du ang x less than og dx. So here is du over 3 equals dx. So next we need to rewrite the integral 3 ari kay ato less than og 1/3 ipagawas then integral 4u du. So 1/3 integral 4u over ln 4 plus c. So c pagyapon kay constant. Then ang u ato less than sa 3x 3x over 3 in 4 plus c. So now let's proceed for the example number 2, which is e 4x minus 3 dx. So let u na to is ang 4x minus 3 du 4 dx du over 4 equals dx. So now we rewrite the integral form. So integral eu times du over 4. Ang 4 kay kanisya tunggi copy. Then ang kaning 4 ato himo og 1/4 integral au times du 1/4 au plus c. Kani siya gihimo na siya c, gihimo constant. So 1/4 over a. Ang u na to is kaniman, so atong gipulihan. So a raised to the power of 4x minus 3 plus c. So that's all. Bye-bye.